In this video, we'll go over storj. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, storj to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is storj? Storj, pronounced as a storage, is an open-source cloud storage platform. Basically, it uses a decentralized network of nodes to host user data. The platform also secures hosted data using advanced encryption. In a white paper published in December of 2014, storj was first introduced to the world as a concept. It was to be a decentralized peer-to-peer encrypted cloud storage platform. 2 years later, an updated white paper was published. Here, a decentralized network, connecting users who need cloud storage space with those who have hard drive space to sell, was described. The platform was launched in late 2018. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. As a decentralized cloud storage network, storj is unique in more ways than one. For one, unlike traditional cloud storage solutions that store data in huge data centers, storj runs on a network of thousands of independent computers. Anyone with a few extra terabytes of space can become a node on the platform by installing tardigrade. All that is required is a strong and consistent internet connection. The efficiency of the network means that hosts pay far less for the storage of their data than when employing traditional cloud storage services. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 75 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.